overflow. Knock the top off, want the wind in your hair. Let the top fall, real bad bitch. She called me daddy, the play on the way, the plug on the line, good green in my car, beating like an alpine.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy The Product, and I'm back to show y'all where I'm at. Hey, came across the deal of a lifetime this morning. I mean, it's an older, but hey, it's a deal to me. Check this out, boy. Got me a little old engine to push this old 1648 around, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, you know. Been looking for one for a couple of years, you know, nigga can't afford it because I'm a poor man. Like I said, I had to do things the poor man way. And just so happened, went across the Savage Yard, bang, motor in there. I gotta get my trolling motor for my homeboy. We was using it on his boat last year, and I'm gonna put it on this boat this year since I'm doing this mod. But yeah, as of right now, I'm on it, messing with it. Like I said, I ain't gonna sit here and just show y'all what I'm doing or try to tell y'all what I'm doing because I really don't know. I just keep y'all updated with what I do figure out and what I do. So, alright, from here, y'all just check this out right here, man. I got what y'all seen on when I left out the other day. I got all this right here done. I'm gonna start up and do a little bit more. I'm gonna cut this back out and get this set in. And I might get the front on attached in and probably get some carpet on it. Well, I might, because I still gotta get a few other things for some of the other stuff on the boat. But yeah, just to be doing something on today, man, that's probably what's gonna happen. I'm gonna fix this back and I might end up putting some carpet on that front. Now I get back with y'all, man, and if I get that far or either way and show y'all what I got, or how far I got, should I say. Yeah. Alright, yeah. I'll get back with y'all, man. Holler at y'all, man, in a minute. What up, man? Sitting here waiting, man, so I figured I'd give y'all an overview of the boat, man. I'm gonna start taking it back apart, you know. Me and my son putting a little paint and stuff on it. Yeah. We putting a little paint on it, just try to somewhat water so you remember this a whole man budget bill. We ain't trying to go off into it and spend a whole lot of money, you know. Got my son down here getting that paint on, learning how to paint, learning how to be a productive man. Alright. I strapped the boat on so I can the motor on so I can cut that back out and stuff like that, and start framing this in, throw my boxes in and make a couple of compartments. Now, you know, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it out how to make my doors and stuff so I can get in and stuff like that. And of course, you know, this the fishing deck. I got it all out, everything in painted now so I can put it back in, put my carpet on and paint it. But yeah, man, I just come back, man, just to let y'all know where I was at, man. I told y'all, man, I'm gonna stay with y'all and let y'all see at least some of the process, even if you don't see all of it going down. But yeah, man, I'll get back at y'all, man, and I don't know, probably by the time I'm done for the day. All right, bro, I'm out. What up, everybody, man? It's your boy The Product. I'm back again, man. I'm done working on this thing for the day, but I decided I'd come in and give y'all a few minutes and show y'all how far I done got, man. Ran out of some materials again. Now I gotta try to get a little more material. But, all right, here we go.
Sweet my dough, Lord. All about money, I'ma go get it soldier. All about money, I'ma go get it soldier. Sweet my dough.
Yeah, man. That's the John boat bill as of right now. I'll probably be back out here tomorrow tinkering with something, I'm sure. We'll get a little more time in, man. I'll show y'all what's going on, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yo. Back, bro. With another one. Alright, man, I've been working on this thing, man. Still ain't push record because I ain't really know what I was gonna do, but I did get this far.
In every situation, there's no salt but dedication. Plenty thoughts of suffocation, many losses, motivations. On a real nigga can relate to. When we ride, bump this music, give them something to hate to. When we ride, bump this music, give them something to hate to. When we ride, bump this music, give them something to hate to. When we ride, bump this music, give them something to hate to.
Yeah, man, that's my boat, man. I'm working on, man. I got a few other things I gotta do, man, and hopefully, man, we'll be in soon, man. Yeah, man. Y'all stick with me, man. I promise you, I'll let y'all see this thing when I get finished. If not before I finish, just whatever I do next. I might even try to record and let y'all see me work some, man. All right, man. Y'all just get at me.
Bring me dough, it'll never be enough. Go get some more. Run up that check, then spend it slow. Now double up, watch the profit grow. Let them talk, just speak on what you know. Number designer shoes anytime my feet touch the floor. I blow the smoke that make you choke.